What's up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Care Academy. It's your boy Mojo, aka SHOEGR Daddy. And today, let's clean these dirty Adidas Original Superstar. And you can see इसके अंदर चारकोल भी है, कोल भी है, मिट्टी भी है और घास भी है. So हम आज इन legends को वापस लेकर आएंगे.
Started as a teen with my queen and a baby girl. It was all a dream, now it seems like I had a world. I'm not really seen on the scene, but I laugh full of cash.
Superstar is an icon. Leather upper, the famous rubber shell toe, and rubber cupsole. This pair has a synthetic leather upper, so lots of great structure, but white leather means it gets dirty easily. Not a very tricky shoe to clean. Let's get started then. For this, we will be using our favorite Ultimate Kit. It comes with 3 brushes, 1 microfiber towel, and a 100 ml cleaning solution. Plus, we will be using our collapsible bowl cleaning mat, and also we should not forget we need to keep the shoe in the shape, so we would be using our Shape It. So without waiting and talking a lot, let's get down to business and start cleaning these iconic Adidas Superstars. The only way to start cleaning your shoe is by removing the laces first. We have to use our Shape It as well. We will take some water. We will take our sugar clean. We'll just do 3 squirts. Straight away हम इसको wet cleaning नहीं करेंगे. We will use our soft brush only and we'll do some dry cleaning. काफ़ी हद तक हमने कोशिश करी है मिट्टी को निकालने की और हम कामयाब भी हुए हैं. So let's start with the business. Our soft brush in our hand. We dip it. And we wipe it. Okay, we will also work on the tongue. Obviously, कई जगहों पे brush नहीं पहुंच पाता है, so you can always use the towel. We will also work on all the inside, and for that we would remove the Shape It first, and I would also remove the insole of this shoe, which seems to be pretty dirty as well. So we'll work on this separately. You can always use a soft brush on it. It won't damage it. Let's move on to the other inside part. So I'm pretty satisfied with the uppers. Now we will work on the midsoles with our medium brush. And you can see comes out to be neat and clean. And हमारा पूरा sides भी हो चुके हैं अच्छे से साफ. There's some mud is left at the back of the shoe. Let's get rid of that as well. You can see this. The uppers and the midsoles are pretty nice. Now we will take our hard brush and work on the hard stains of the outsole. Let's go. आगे से अभी थोड़ा थोड़े spots रह गए थे, so I have to work again on that. Put the Shape It back inside. Yes, guys, the outsoles are looking nice. The shoe is back. These legends are here. Now we will work on our laces. They looked pretty messed up. तो इनको थोड़ा अच्छे से डालते हैं पानी के अंदर। We are good with the laces, pretty neat. Now comes the insole. So it's soft material, so we would be using our soft brush.
Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got it.
So yeah, pretty okay. We'll let it dry for a while. I can show you the difference. There you go, guys. Look at this mess and look at this clean shoe. I would say 70% clean kar diya hai brush ne, but for the other 30%, we will have to use the laundry kit. Here it is, we have the cubes, and this is the laundry bag. We will take out one bag because one bag is sufficient for a shoe. And then use the bag, keep it inside and tighten it. The bag makes the shoe safe and secured so that it doesn't get damaged inside the washing machine. Now we will open up this small pocket and insert this cube. There you go. The next step is the washing machine.
I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered. Smoke.
Boom, we are back. Now it's time to see the results. So, ta-da! So I think this is a pretty fine work by the laundry kit as well. Now I will also show you how the shoe was and how it is looking now. Look at the mad difference.
I-35 with the top down, quick to tell a hater they should get like me. Seem like everybody wanna be the boss, but it costs and these lames ain't shit like me.
It's amazing how the ultimate kit and our laundry kit came together and got these legends back to life. I hope you have enjoyed this video just as I have enjoyed cleaning these Adidas Original Superstar. If you have any questions or queries regarding to any shoe, you can always DM and comment down below. We would love to answer your questions, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, do not forget to love your shoes. Also, like, share and subscribe. Let's go!